Lately, I have been totally nuts and stressed out, and I know there's a lot of mood swings happening because it's affecting my psyche, but also it's affecting my heart. There are things that we can do, and I have some quick tips that will help you lose weight during menopause, postmenopause, or perimenopause. So I've been out of energy. It's been incredible. I think the stress has just gotten to me, and I really needed to figure out what is happening. The weight gain is atrocious right now. Literally, I'm 10 pounds higher than I was 2 months ago. And I understand the water weight, but there are other things that are possible when it comes to menopausal weight gain. But let's not talk about all the doom and gloom. I want to make this video quick, and I want to give you some tips that I think will work and that are something that anyone can implement quickly, like today. One is eat more protein, that is. If you're eating a plant-based diet, I know that this can be challenging for most of us, but look at those items that are higher in proteins like legumes, beans. Also, even look at spinach. There are other green leafy vegetables that are considered higher in protein. Look at that as well. The other thing about protein is that protein can help you stay full and feel full, and it helps hike up that metabolic rate. That's something that we need to get going because in menopause, it slows down tremendously, and it's just like, what is going on? Also, protein reduces muscle loss, and you know that look where your arms are getting a little more flabbier, losing that tone in menopause. So if you are eating more protein, that's what we need. So find those ways to do it. It's nuts. Even avocados, even though that's a high amount of fat, it has a good amount of protein as well. And number two, include some type of dairy. Now, I know, wait before you kill me. There's sometimes I do eat dairy because that's an animal protein as well. So research has said that some dairy products can help you lose weight even though you're going through the process of menopause, but it helps you retain a muscle mass. So again, maybe it's not dairy, but you're doing a replacement of dairy. So maybe some plant-based butter. I know this is processed, but you can try this, a little bit of it. There are some plant-based cheeses as well, and maybe that's something you want to take a look at, but read the labels. I know I'm not a really big supporter of foods that are more processed, but if you want to look at trying this option, hey, what do we have to lose, right? Except the weight. It's very annoying, I know, because I'm very annoyed with this extra weight. Other tip would be to eat food that is soluble fiber type of foods. So consuming these high fiber type of foods like avocados, flaxseed, Brussels sprouts, broccoli even, can help you increase that insulin sensitivity instead of having insulin resistance, because that's a major issue when it comes to our age group. And you can reduce your appetite, and at the same time you're promoting the weight loss, right? So again, the flax seeds, the Brussels sprouts, the avocados, and even broccoli, these kinds of fiber foods can help you with promoting the weight loss by decreasing the appetite and also increasing the insulin sensitivity. Going back to good old-fashioned drinking green tea. Green tea does have the caffeine in it, but it also has antioxidants as well and minerals in there that will promote weight loss. Green tea contains those compounds and those minerals that are, like, for instance, caffeine is one, but other antioxidants are included in green tea, and so that promotes burning fat. And so fat loss is the big deal for us ladies, especially at this age group. So you want to try and incorporate the green tea. I like to do that in the mornings usually, and sometimes I have a second cup in the day, but I had not been doing it lately, so I'm gonna get back to it and tried the green tea again. So I think it's something you guys should try. And as discussed before, another tip and last tip I'll leave you with is eating mindfully. Mindful eating will help cut down the stress, but also it will encourage a better relationship with food. Your relationship with food is so important. We have to look at it as just eating for nutrition and eating for your health. And if you look at it that way, and you know that you are making some gains in target goals that you set for yourself before you start trying to do a weight loss program, then you will see those rewards in a short time. If we look at it as its nutritional value, I'm trying to eat the right foods, the healthiest foods that I can find that will encourage better optimum health, and also it will automatically start to bring that weight down again and start again. It's okay, because it's not the end of the world if we gain some weight that we're trying to get off. At the same time, I know how it feels, because it does make your attitude and your outlook on life in certain days and moments, you know, pretty dark. You can go in some dark places. We can always get back on the horse. Try these things out and let me know in the comments. Please do share. What are you trying to deal with the menopausal weight gain, which is usually the belly fat? This can be in a situation where you can put yourself at risk for diabetes, pre-diabetes. It can increase your cholesterol. Menopausal women seem to be at risk more for heart disease when it comes to these things, and it becomes one big huge problem that we want to cut it off at the gate, because we're not going to be sickly people that cannot take care of ourselves. So that's why the weight loss is very important, because all these other ailments will start to go away if we are coming down in our weight and losing some fat. You may not see the weight on the scale change necessarily, but you may be toning and you'll be fitting your pants in such a different way that you're losing percentage in fat. And so let's keep going, keep trying, and always keep searching for that perfect bite and balance, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks.